Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this video really doesn't have anything to do about Corel as it is a show-off. I've been helping a gentleman uh, make the squiggles thicker and kind of helped him along the way to make them a little bit thicker, and he sent me a picture today of the final product. And Mike, you did a really good job. Looks like he made a frame, painted it all white with a background, and then glued the Mueller letter. So I made a couple of videos on that and how to help him make these squiggles a little bit thicker so they wouldn't break. And now that I see what he did, he could have left them a little thinner because since you've got it glued down, but it does give you more glue surface. This really came out good, so I thought I would just share it with my viewers. Very seldom I ever get to see the final product, and I thank that viewer for sending it my way. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.